Here is a question on the screen. If 1 plus sine square a is equal to 3 sine a cos a, then prove that tan a is equal to 1 or 1 half. Here it is given that 1 plus sine square a is equal to 3 sine a cos a. This is given to us. Now I divide by cos square a throughout the equation, so it will be 1 upon cos square a plus sine square a upon cos square a, that is equal to 3 sine a cos a upon cos square a. I have divided by cos square a throughout the equation, and we know that 1 upon cos square a, that is sec square a, so it is sec square a, plus sine square a upon cos square a, that is tan square a, and which is equal to, here 1 cos a and 1 cos a will get cancelled, and you will get this as 3 into sine a upon cos a, and sine a upon cos a is tan a, so it will be sec square a plus tan square a, which is equal to 3 tan a. But this sec square a, that is equal to 1 plus tan square a, so I replace this sec square a by 1 plus tan square a plus tan square a, which is equal to 3 tan a. Now here this is tan square a plus tan square a, that will be 2 tan square a, so I write this as 2 tan square a. Then I take 3 tan a to this side, so that will be minus 3 tan a, and this plus 1 will be as it is, which is equal to 0. Now this is just like 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. By splitting middle term, we can find the factors. So the factors will be tan a minus 1 into 2 tan a minus 1, that is equal to 0. So the product of these two brackets is 0. Therefore either this bracket should be 0 or this bracket should be 0. So tan a minus 1, that is equal to 0, or 2 tan a minus 1, which is equal to 0. And so solve this further and you will get it as take 1 to other side, so tan a, that is equal to 1, or tan a, take 1 to this side, so it will be plus 1, and then take 2 to other side, so it will be upon 2, and therefore tan a is equal to 1 or tan a is equal to 2. Now the question is on the screen. If 7 sine square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4, then show that tan a is equal to 1 upon root 3, where a is an acute angle. 7 sine square a plus 3 cos square a, which is equal to 4, this is given, and you have to show that tan a is equal to 1 upon 3, and where a is an acute angle. So here we can solve this as 7 sine square a plus 3 cos square a, that is equal to 4 can be written as 4 into 1, and 1 can be written as sine square a plus cos square a, so 4 into bracket sine square a plus cos square a, because sine square a plus cos square a is 1 and 4 into 1 will be 4. And now this can be solved as sine square a, 7 sine square a plus 3 cos square a which is equal to multiply by 4 inside the bracket. So it will be 4 sine square A plus 4 cos square A. Now take 4 sine square A to this side, so it will be 7 sine square A minus 4 sine square A, that will be equal to 3 sine square A, which is equal to, take 3 cos square A to this side, so this is 4 cos square A minus 3 cos square A, that will be 1 cos square A, that is cos square A. Now take cos square theta to cos square A to this side, so it will be sine square A upon cos square A, that is equal to, take 3 to other side, so it will be 1 upon 3. Now this will be tan square A. Tan square A is equal to 1 upon 3. Taking square root of both the sides, we will get tan A, which is equal to square root of this will be 1 upon root 3. And here we have got the value of tan A as 1 upon root 3. Now here is a question on the screen. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. So here we will take LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Here we see that sin theta is a common factor in the numerator, so take out sin theta as a common factor. So inside the bracket it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta, close the bracket, upon here we can take out the cos theta as a common factor, so it will be cos theta, inside the bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. And now here this 1 can be replaced as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here this will become, the numerator will become sin theta into bracket 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta upon here cos theta. This one also can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it will be into bracket 2 cos square theta. Here since it is minus 1, the signs of sin square theta plus cos square theta will change. So it will be minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. And so this can be solved further as sin theta upon cos theta multiplied by, here it will be sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, that will be minus sin square theta. So this will be cos square theta minus sin square theta upon here this is 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, that will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and which is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to tan theta, and hence which is equal to RHS. And here we have proved that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. Here is a question. Prove that sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, that is equal to twice of cosec theta. So here friends, LHS is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So here the LCM will be sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So here sin theta into bracket 1 plus cos theta, close the bracket. Here we will multiply by sin theta, so it will be sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta bracket square. and so which is equal to, here it will be sine square theta plus this is a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be 1 square will be 1 plus b square will be cos square theta plus 2 into a into b, that is plus twice of cos of theta, upon the denominator will be sine theta into bracket 1 plus cos of theta. So this can be solved further, that sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, and this one will be 2, and so you will get 2 plus twice cos of theta upon sine theta into bracket 1 plus cos of theta, close the bracket. Now this can be solved further as taking out 2 as a common factor from the numerator. We will get 2 into bracket 1 plus cos of theta upon sine theta into bracket 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So here 1 plus cos theta will get cancelled and you will get 2 upon sine theta, and that is equal to 2 upon sine theta, that is 2 cosec theta, and that is equal to RHS. And here we have proved that sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta, that is equal to 2 cosec theta. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.